Hello guys, today I want to introduce our one very big scale fiber laser cutting machines. You can check here, its X width is can reach the 3 meters, and the Y-axis can reach the 12 meters or 24 meters. These machines use one very unique design. Its transmission system and the worktable is independent. It means the worktable can support the very heavy materials independently. If you use the very heavy or bigger materials to damage the worktable, then you can just change the worktable directly. It's okay. No need to change the machine's bite, because it cannot damage the machine's transmission system. And there are the very important the advantage. This machine's transmission system can depart into the parts when we pack it, can load into the containers to shipping. Very vital for saving the shipping freight, because it can depart very small parts to load into the containers. And in here, it uses the aluminum gantries. It can reach the very higher the working speed and also the working precision. In here we have one laser head, and if needs, you also can add the plasma cut or flame cut together. It means the laser, flame, and the plasma 3 cutting system in one the machine bodies. And this machine's investment is also more vital than the big power fiber laser cutting machines. Okay, brother, if you also need to cut the very big and longer metal sheet materials, please contact me. I will offer this machine's details for review. Okay, thank you.